So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to cancel your pending transaction on your Coinbase if you order or just accidentally click the buy. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process. So first, you need to open your Coinbase application and make sure that you already accessed your account by entering your credentials. Like in this page, I'm going to trade from Ethereum into the Badger cryptocurrency. And once the transaction is submitted, you could just click the view transaction for you to be able to view the order that you click or the order that you made earlier or recently. So you need to be fast because this might not be a better option, but you could cancel it directly from the exchange or directly from your Coinbase. So if minutes or hours passed, you couldn't cancel your transaction and couldn't do anything but proceed to that transaction that you do. So that's how you cancel your transaction or cancel your pending transaction on your Coinbase.